Hi guys, my name is Stanley and I'm from RC Tank Legion. Thank you for watching my channel. Remember to subscribe. Some of the upgrades you can get for the Heng Long King Tiger is our HSAB. HSAB stands for Hull Stiffening Aluminium Brakes Kit. The HSAB does, as it says, stiffens the hull. This is a precision laser cut aluminium kit. It is cut to exactly the same shape of the hull and is held together by machine brackets, as you can see over here, and it provides exceptional stiffness to the hull. For the King Tiger, you will need to cut away some of the plastic inside, especially the plastic ribs that connects from the battery box to this one. So you need to trim that off, and then you slot this in, and then if everything fits perfectly, you'll apply some epoxy so you hold the HSAB in place. Okay. If you noticed, we also added holes over here, so your idlers would fit perfectly over here as well. So your idlers are also supported by the aluminium brace kit. So this is what it looks like inside the Heng Long King Tiger version 6. The HSAB is available from our web store, rctanklegion.com. Check it out. So remember to stay safe, wash hands, wear a mask when you go out, and as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.